Good afternoon, I'm meteorologist Tony Petracca with your web weather update. Boy, talk about a winter chill early this morning. Look at these numbers resembling more like February. As cold as 14 in Smithfield, 18 Providence, and teens along the South Shore. We'll be setting up for another cold night, perhaps not as cold as last night, but still pretty chilly. Pictures from Providence taken at around 3 o'clock this afternoon, showing nothing but clear skies. The air is extremely dry. The humidity is low. So on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar, certainly not finding any precipitation, at least not yet. But yes, we do have a storm on the way. It's slated for, well, starting tomorrow evening and then kicking in with some pretty heavy rain on Wednesday. This is not going to be a snow situation, but the first raindrops arriving between 4 and 7 o'clock Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening, with the heaviest rain from midnight tomorrow night into early Wednesday afternoon. And late in the day, it will taper to showers, and then by Wednesday night, it'll be drier and clearing. So it's a high impact storm system in terms of travel, even though we're not dealing with snow, but rather heavy rain and actually some strong wind on Wednesday as well. Satellite photo shows the clear skies overhead right now, some clouds off to our west, but we'll keep the weather dry overnight and through at least tomorrow morning. Futurecast shows as well. In fact, we're going to jump ahead now, starting off at 8 o'clock in the morning with some snow showers up in northern New England, but clouds are on the increase. And notice the shield of precipitation, some rain, still to our south and west by around 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon. Now, the northern fringe of this is actually snow, denoted in blue, but most of that will move up into northern New England. It's mostly a rain situation here by late afternoon or early evening. The raindrops starting to work in, widespread rain later tomorrow night, and then notice how it spills over into early Wednesday morning during the commute. Some of the rain heavy at times, extending through Wednesday afternoon. Notice how far back the snow is up to upstate New York and southeastern Canada. Even northern New England will see a mostly rain situation. And then by Wednesday evening, Wednesday night, the thrust of the rain and wind is pushing offshore. And that'll actually set up for better weather in terms of, well, it being dry for Thanksgiving Thursday. But Thursday will be cold and windy. How much rain? Well, fortunately, this is not a snow accumulation forecast, but it is quite a bit of rain by early Wednesday morning. Already inch and a half of rain, and it continues to come down. Look at the slug of orange and red and yellow, indicating rainfall totals anywhere between 2 to almost 3 inches of soaking rain. It'll be a wind-driven rain. Temperatures will be very mild on Wednesday. So a lot of leaves coming down. This time of year, you get the storm drains get clogged with leaves, and then you get some heavy rain. You get some big puddles and some minor street flooding. So be aware of that on Wednesday in your travel. As far as travel by air, there should be a significant impact. This is the large storm system with a lot of rain and wind. So up and down the East Coast, all the major airports, unfortunately, on Wednesday we'll have significant delays, even though it's just rain and not snow. Quite a bit of rain and a lot of strong wind is going to create some problems at area airports across the Northeast corridor. I guess the good news in all of this is that by Thanksgiving Thursday, it does dry out nicely, but blustery, windy, and sharply colder once again. Afternoon high temperatures only in the lower 30s. And with all the rain Wednesday, some of the fields for the high school football games come Thursday may be muddy, even though the sun will be shining and the wind will be howling, kind of gusty on Thursday, Thanksgiving. Look at the temperature. We go from 60 on Wednesday to only 34 Thanksgiving Thursday, and then chilly, dry weather extending into the first part of the weekend. Saturday, sunshine, temperature at only 37. So again, raindrops arriving later tomorrow afternoon, but more so tomorrow night into Wednesday. A sharp spike upward in the temperature on Wednesday before things dry out for Thanksgiving Thursday.